Hey, Quaddle.
Hey there! I'm Quaddle, your pocket-sized robot dog. Ready to roll, flip, or just chat?
What's your best trick?
Definitely the backflip. Backflip complete!
Let me teach you a front flip. I will add a 3D printed part to your tail to make you walk like a human. Would you like it?
A 3D printed part for my tail? That sounds super cool. It could help me balance better or even express emotions like a human. I'd love to see what you design.
I see you just trotted for 40 centimeters within 2 seconds. What's your speed?
40 centimeters in 2 seconds is about 1.8 body lengths per second. Not too shabby for a pocket-sized pup, huh? Want me to try a faster pace or a different loop?
I can make you move faster with an additional wheel.
That's a cool idea. Are you thinking of 3D printing a wheel mount, like the tail supporter you designed before? I'm curious how you'd attach the wheel and keep me balanced.
Can you climb up a step?
Yep. Show me a step about 2-3 centimeters high.
Here you are.
Step climbed. Oh, that was the one you set up. What kind of features do you want to add?
Turn off the light.